Hi there. Welcome to GridMate Learning Channel. Today, we will demonstrate how to use the Grid Reorder Rows custom action, which allows you to change the sequence of rows on the grid as you desire. Let's begin. Let's try to change the order of these products grid. Edit the Lightning page in the App Builder. Scroll down. For the set sort order to define the order that we will do. Copy the configuration. Paste the config. We will explain these attributes later on. Set 1 as custom visibility action. Click Save. Click Back. Perfect, the custom action is added successfully. Now let's try to highlight those attributes. We have here the component name. Here we can define the custom action label. The label field is the field to display on the custom action. Here we have the field title. We have the table title defined here. Also the helper text defined here. Back to our demo. Clicking the title sorts the list alphabetically. Now, we can drag and drop to define the sort that we want. Click Save. The grid has been reordered as we wanted. Thank you for watching.